Boxing shoes are an essential piece of equipment for any serious boxer, as they provide the stability, grip, and comfort necessary for optimal performance in the ring. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fighter, the right pair of boxing shoes can significantly. List number 1. Hayabusa Pro Boxing Shoes for Men. The Hayabusa Pro Boxing Shoes are a mid-range option designed for both men and women. Priced at $139, these shoes are built with a focus on lightweight construction and stability. The design features a breathable mesh upper for ventilation and a flexible rubber sole for superior grip in the ring. The fit is snug, ensuring the shoes stay secure during fast footwork and pivots, while the overall build quality speaks to Hayabusa's reputation for durability. During testing, the Hayabusa Pro Boxing shoes excelled in providing excellent lateral support and a responsive feel. They are particularly suited for boxers who prioritize speed and agility, as the lightweight design minimizes fatigue during extended training sessions. However, the snug fit may not be ideal for individuals with wider feet, as it can feel restrictive. The traction provided by the rubber sole performed well on various surfaces, making these shoes versatile for different training environments.
List number 2. Asics Men's Matte Flex 7 Wrestling Shoes. The Asics Matte Flex 7 wrestling shoes are a crossover option that can be used for boxing due to their lightweight design and excellent grip. Priced between $51.27 and $59.95, they are the most affordable shoes in this comparison. They feature a breathable mesh upper for comfort and an EVA sock liner for added cushioning. The design leans more toward wrestling, but offers sufficient support and stability for boxing footwork. While the Matte Flex 7 is not specifically designed for boxing, it performs admirably in low-intensity training situations. The shoes are lightweight and offer decent traction, though they lack the lateral support needed for dynamic movements in the ring. They are a great option for beginners or those on a tight budget, but advanced boxers may find them lacking in specialized features required for higher-level performance.
List number 3. Venom Elite Boxing Shoes. The Venom Elite Boxing Shoes represent the premium end of this comparison, priced at $159.99. Designed with input from professional fighters, these shoes offer a mid-cut design for enhanced lateral support and stability. The rubber outsole provides excellent grip, and the anatomical insole ensures comfort during long training sessions. The build quality is exceptional, with a sleek design that features the iconic Venom logo on the ankle and tongue. In performance testing, the Venom Elite Boxing shoes stood out for their superior grip and lateral stability, making them ideal for advanced boxers who engage in high-intensity training or competition. The glued insole prevents slipping, ensuring a secure fit even during quick pivots and rapid footwork. However, the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, and the shoes are slightly heavier than some competitors, which could impact speed for certain users.
List number 4. Title Boxing Speed Flex Encore Mid-Top Boxing Shoes, MMA. The Title Boxing Speed Flex Encore shoes are a versatile mid-top option designed for quick footwork and speed. With a full synthetic leather upper and tight weave nylon fill, these shoes offer a balance of durability and lightweight performance. The sculpted polyurethane soles are tailored specifically for boxing, providing adequate grip and support for training and sparring. These shoes excel in providing comfort and speed, making them a great choice for boxers who prioritize agility. The approximate 6-inch height strikes a balance between ankle support and freedom of movement. However, the synthetic leather upper may not be as breathable as mesh alternatives, and the durability is slightly lower compared to premium options. They are an excellent mid-range choice for intermediate boxers.
List number 5. Venom Contender Boxing Shoes. The Venom Contender Boxing Shoes are an entry-level option, priced at $99.99. Designed for beginners and those engaging in low to medium intensity training, these shoes feature a lightweight mid-cut upper with a breathable honeycomb mesh for comfort. The outsole provides solid grip and lateral reinforcements for added stability. making them a good choice for developing footwork and defense skills. During testing, the Venom Contender shoes performed well for basic training needs, offering adequate grip and support for beginners. However, the durability and overall build quality are not on par with higher-end models, making them less suitable for advanced users or intense training sessions. They're an excellent choice for those just starting out in boxing or looking for a budget-friendly option.